This video I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in Shopify. So in order to do that, first head over to shopify.com and click on the Start for Free option or this option right here in order to create an account on Shopify. If you already have an account on it, head over and click on this Login option right here in order to log in. Next, head over to Typeform and then click on the Sign Up or Login option and then do the same thing for this. So I already have an account on both, so let me head over and log in. Here is my Typeform. Now here is my Shopify. Head over and click on the Customize right here under the Shopify, and you should be able to see in here this. What we can do is we can head over and click on this Add section, and search in here for HTML or Embed. So in here, you can just input right here particular Typeform options like custom liquid as well. So in this will look for the liquid code. Head over right here to your Typeform and then create a new form or just choose any form that you already have. I have in here this form and let me head over and then create it. You can add some questions. It can be a multiple selection, multiple choice, and the likes. Input right here your question. Let's input right here dog or cats. Let's input right here choice 1 and then let's input right here choice 2. Once you're done with that, head over and then click onto the share option. Click on this update my Typeform. And then after you have done that, it should be able to redirect you to the next part. As you can see, this will load and publish this. Click onto this link that you can see right here. And then this should be able to redirect you to the share page. We have in here the link, so you can also choose in here this explore other ways to share. And it will show you in here this options. You can see in here this embed in the web page. Let's click onto this right here. And then after that, just choosing here the embed mode. It can be like this or like this or other layouts like pop-ups, sliders, pop over or side tap. Let's choose in here pop over or let's choose in here this one. After that, head over and click onto the start embedding. Copy the code. Open right here your Shopify and input right here the code. And then after you've done that, this will load for a bit in order to integrate your Typeform right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.